Welcome to Broke to Built, where today we uncover the shocking truth about why 90% of people remain trapped in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. It's not just bad luck. There are clear reasons why most struggle financially. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll discover the exact 3 steps you can take this week to start turning your financial life around. Let's dive into the first major reason: relying on just one income source. Most people depend solely on their job for money. But what happens if you lose that job? Diversifying your income streams is crucial in breaking free from financial constraints. Next, let's talk about the spend-first mindset. Many individuals prioritize spending over saving, leading to constant financial stress. This habit is as destructive as it is common, keeping people stuck without emergency funds or investments. Reason number 3, a lack of financial education. Schools don't teach us how to manage money, invest properly, or budget effectively. As a result, countless people make financial decisions blindly, further entrenching themselves in debt and financial insecurity. Then there's small thinking. Limiting beliefs like, "I'll never be rich," or "I can't save money," act as self-fulfilling prophecies. Breaking down these mental barriers is essential for anyone who wants to thrive financially. So how do you escape this cycle? Here's your 3-step plan. Step 1, create an additional income stream this week. Sell a skill online or start a side hustle. Step 2, implement a pay-yourself-first rule by automatically saving a portion of your income. Step 3, invest in your financial education. Read books, follow experts, and continually learn. Remember, everyone's journey is different, but by taking these steps, you're setting the foundation for a brighter financial future. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Broke to Built for more insights on growing your money and mindset every week.